Now my friends, let's explore how to sort directly using the dot sort method available on list objects. Now let's use a new example, that is a list of city names where we have cities is equal to Delhi, Tokyo, New York and Amsterdam. We begin by referencing the list object, which in this case is cities. So here it's cities, which we know is a Python list that we have created. Now we use the dot operator dot to access list specific methods like dot sort method. From that menu, let me show you. Now if we give the list cities dot and we press the tab, so we have all these methods. So we have the sort method here. From that menu, you'll see many methods like append, pop and sort, but we have selected sort. So now calling cities.sort will sort the list alphabetically in place. So cities.sort, if we press, so we'll get print cities and now our list is alphabetically sorted. As you can see, cities has been modified to display items in alphabetical order. A great way to learn what a method does is to use Shift plus Tab inside Jupyter Notebook. So if we go here in the method and we do Shift and Tab, so we get the complete we understand okay what all this method can do, what are the arguments and parameters that this method will be using, and then this is like a complete information about this method. Now the dot sort method updates the original list directly without returning a new list. So it's working on the original list itself. Next, if we try to do this like sorted underscore cities is equal to cities dot sort and then we print sorted cities, so we get none. Why we'll get none? Because dot sort method doesn't return anything. Another option is if we give new underscore sorted underscore cities is equal to sorted cities, this function returns a new sorted list. Unlike the dot sort method, if we write sorted method first and place the list inside its parentheses, like we have done here, sorted and in parentheses we've passed the list and we are storing it in new sorted cities and then we print new sorted cities, so we get the output. Sorted method keeps our original list untouched and makes a new sorted version, which we can store in new sorted cities. Now, we can also pass additional options to sorted method like reverse is equal to true. Now, for example, if we have backward cities and if we sort cities and we say that reverse should be equal to true, so now the reverse list is stored in backward cities and when we print, so we are able to see the list in reverse. So we can go in the sorted and do Shift Tab, so we'll understand that reverse is equal to false. Sorted, that returns a new list containing all the items from the iterable in ascending order. And if we give reverse is equal to true, so it will return a new list containing all the items from the iterable in descending order. We pass the cities list as the first argument and reverse is equal to true as the second, that is to reverse the sorting order. Unlike dot sort method, this approach doesn't alter the cities list directly. So now to summarize, the dot sort method modifies the original list, but it doesn't return anything. The sorted method returns a new sorted list and keeps the original list unchanged. Both accept parameters like reverse is equal to true to sort in descending order. So I hope list sorting is clear to you.